Hello everyone, welcome back to Six Gems. In today's video, I will show you several ways to fix YouTube videos with no sound on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, check your media volume. Open the setting app and tap sound and vibration. Make sure the media volume slider is turned up. Next, completely close the YouTube app and open it again. After that, force stop the YouTube app by going to setting, and here search for apps and click on it, and here search YouTube and tap on YouTube, and here just select the force stop at the bottom of the screen, and then tap on confirm. And the next step is to clear the YouTube app cache. In the same page, uh, just tap on storage and cache, and here you can see the clear cache and tap on it. And if that doesn't help, clear the app data. In the same storage section, tap clear data or clear the storage, then confirm it. Keep in mind that you may need to sign in to your YouTube account again afterward. Next, make sure the YouTube app is up to date. Open your Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and if an update button is available, tap it and to install the latest version of YouTube. Finally, start your Android phone. Once you have completed all these steps, open YouTube again and check if the sound is working properly. And that's it. These are some of the best ways to fix YouTube videos with no sounds on your Android phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful Android tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.